Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you step by step how you can make a line graph for your documents, tables, and spreadsheet on Google Sheets really quickly. So let us get started right away. Head over to Google Sheets, access your spreadsheet, and what you want to do, guys, is select the data you would like to convert into a line graph, which in this case here would be that table with the column here to the left with the party guest, as well as that column to the right with the financial contribution. So select the entirety of that data, and after that click on insert here at the top, select chart from that drop down menu, and here on the right panel select your preferred chart type. It will be pie chart on default. However, guys, if you'd like to switch to a line graph, simply click on that arrow down icon here and select your preferred line graph, like a standard line chart or a smooth line chart, or that one here, combo chart, or one of these. So pick the one you like. So let me go with a standard line chart like that. And as you can see, now that data of that table has been converted into a line graph like this. Now the last step, guys, you may customize your graph, for example, by moving it around or by adjusting its size and position. And that's all to it. As you can see, it is super simple. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.